Oh Lord, man. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. It is a lovely day outside. Breathing in that springtime air. It's your host of the most, Paul Cantu, back live outside the Thrift as per the usual, trying to source some goods for my pop-up, which is this weekend, March 28th in Houston. Pull up if you guys just love vintage gear and want to come to a cool vintage event. It's gonna be fun. Now, before we get inside, I just want to apologize to Brandon and Sabrina. Y'all sent me a $400 Smashing Pumpkins tee, and all I said yesterday was nice about it. I saw the graphic and I honestly did not even read the back or check the details. I was caught lacking, slipping, and tripping. So shout out to you guys who called me out on just skipping over that shirt. So yeah, dude, without further ado, we're gonna hop in the Thrift. I'm gonna see what they got, and hopefully I can find some gear to flip to you guys this weekend at the pop-up. Let's check it out. Guys, what are the odds? I walk in, and for the low price of, wait for it, seven! They got a Houston Astros majestic, all embroidered Altuve jersey. They got the Tony Romo. Yo, what are the odds? The full fit to boot. The bright tangerine mandarin looking clean in the Houston Astros color scheme. Bro, you have the whole matching fit in the Thrift. This is 7 1/8, so if that's your head size, let me know. This is vintage, authentic, and it's just clean. All right, man, so I just got blessed with a couple of amazing finds visually to treat your eyes with from Jason, who's in the store. He found the, you said 1993? My brother's, 1998, excusez-moi. You have the Rugrats all embroidered kids hoodie, super clean, almost like an Elmo fur texture, but pink color scheme. And then you got the Baby Shamu poster from 1985 for $3. You joking me? Amazing finds in the Thrift. And I thought that was it. Look at that. You got the Cowboy Harley of Austin tee, and then you have the Mickey all embroidered. You joking me? Bruh. Crazy. Guys, look at this. The homie Ant's in the store as well. And look what he pulled up with, bruh. Vintage gray tag, fat ass logo, Nike track jacket. My God, bruh. My God. Hey, look, he also got a signed Houston Astros Jeff Kent piece. Nice. That fool got that crust stash on point. Fuck you mean. That's crazy though. Nah, that jacket is hard, bro. That's legit. It's lit. Man, guys, that's just part of the game. You come in the Thrift, people find a bunch of good stuff. I thought I really came up on the Altuve jersey, but I did on the cool with the MC Escher painting. What y'all mean? Actually, this is a print, not a painting. Excuse me. Someone will correct my ass. Bro, MC Escher, self-portrait, my brothers. This is so freaking hard. What you mean? $10. This thing is so clean. This is hanging straight on the wall. Boy is legend. Wait for it. Dairy. That's crazy. I love it. Hey, the jacket section is bussin' too, man. You got the Penn State Nittany Lions, and then literally it's bussin'. You got that finger hut. What you mean, bro? Made in USA. Authentic lamb interior. That's what I'm talking about. Straight off the farm, man. And on body. Finger hut. Ooh, daddy. Bro. What's good, bro? Damn, the Thrift's just full of people showing love today. It's amazing, man. Hold up. What's up, G? Oh, I see them candy canes, bro. You good? Oh, man. People in the parking lot hollering at me, showing love. Bro, it's a beautiful day, man. I'm in a great mood. And some people be tripping when there are other thrifters in the spot, man. Make friends with them, bro. The fuck you mean? Anyways, I got hella stuff. And it's amazing too, because all those people support me, bro. Like, there's some Scrooges out here who are like, they got the fines and shit. But, bro, these people, you guys who watch my videos, y'all literally support the shit out of me. And that's what I appreciate, man. The view is doing more than enough. And I love you guys for that, man. Anyways, I'm about to load up the car, go drop off some mail, and then go to the next spot. This is truly what I mean. The support is unmatched. Thank all of you guys for real for shopping on thrift-vintage.com. The link to my website is in the video description, and that's where everything you guys see me pick up in the videos is live and available to sell. I also forgot to mention I grabbed the little Dilly Dilly Classic Bud Light shirt. See, it's like $3. I'll probably sell it for what? Seven on my site. I try and hook it up, man. I try and still be an online thrift store and give good deals. And we got fast ass shipping. Don't get it twisted. And all right, guys, we've arrived. I parked like trash, but low-key, I swagged it with the Thrift Chariot. We're outside the next thrift shop. I actually went here yesterday. So if there's not shit to find in here, then it is what it is. I found a good amount of gear yesterday, which maybe I'll expose at the end of this. We'll see what's up. All right, live in the mix, man. The re-up is weak today, but I did manage to find a couple things. You got the Marshall Falk. I grabbed a Kurt Warner and Marshall Falk yesterday in the super clean old school colorway. This is an Adidas rendition, which is all right. They got the red rifle, the red rocket, whatever you want to call them. Andy Dalton jersey, probably gonna pass on that dude. But one thing that I always love are tie-dye tees, especially done with this quality. Almost has like a coral reef acid wash type of texture to it. It says, hey man, no problem.
That ain't no problem. Huh? That ain't no problem.
Got the Jamaica tee for $1. But then this little banger I caught just live on the rack. Little Spanish FIFA 2010 jersey. Don't mind if I do. Bruh, half off, low price. $7. Yo, this is why I do this, bro. You never know, you never know. Look at the alignment. You got 4 fire pieces, bruh. First of which is the Albuquerque, New Mexico hot air balloon, multicolored, crazy, getting lifted to new heights. Then you got the young Betty Bopper on the bike tee. Fuck you mean, 1992, crispy, tooting that thing up. Got the fish netting right there. Fishes get you hella biatches. And this is one animated chick that I definitely would give the dick, you feel me? Excuse me. But at the same time, man, you got some new school but still cool items. You have Einstein equations, mathematics, chalkboards, nuts, and then you got the black on black Berkshire New York Express. My brothers, the Betty Bopper, $2, Albuquerque, Tree, Einstein, 4, Train, 2. What's up, bro? Hear me. Oh my God. Somebody make it stop. The taxation without representation on the Adidas trunks. My guys, clean. But 10, not like this. The blacked out versions, zipper pockets for concealed narcotics.
I wish I might.
Bro, stop. All right, I'm about to skedaddle. Last little find. The infamous, that's a nice boulder.
That is a nice boulder.
Gray Carhartt shorts for men. Let's get it. All right, guys, we've arrived. Next spot, Family Thrift Center. Let's check it out. All right, guys, we're in here. Don't make me hit you with the law of attraction. Bro, I got the reds on tit, reds on hand, my brothers. Majestic size, medium, crispy white. That big boy Isaac Bruce, multi-sport athlete. That's a lie. This is really just the shark off Finding Nemo. Dude, I hope I find more stuff, but if all else fails, I'm satisfied with this. Oh my guys. Another one. Yo, look at these two. They got the Reebok official NFL equipment Big B Bengal sneakers. What are those? These are kind of fire on the cool. $10. Size 7.5. Come on, bro. I'm not a little girl, man. Not anymore, father. Bro, what in the devil? Is this gonna be my running mate? Big boy Kid Rock for US Senate? Personal foul, bro. Tripping.
Personal foul. Tripping.
Hey, at least the plush section is popping. Fishes get you hella biatches. Thing is vibrant. Oh, holy penis. That store is a straight dud. A dudski. I got a couple things, literally, metaphorically, physically, all of that. All right, guys. So it's a couple days later, and I figured I'd continue this video. I just got my COVID vaccination, and I stopped by the thrift, hence why we're recording on the phone. But I found some things. Nike Dry Fit USA soccer jersey, USA on the back. You got the Fila in the same colorway, made in USA, vintage, silk, beautiful. It's more like a satin, okay? You got the Tommy for your mommy, vertically striped, abundant colors, amazing. And then this piece, bro, money stacking tall Yao Ming, Brand new with tags, all embroidered. You joking me? Yo, there's even more stuff at the next store that I went to. Timothy Amami, Hill Figure. Small little pocket for narcotics on the sleeve. You got the Surrender the Booty tee. Hey, I'm all for that. And then you got the Houston Harley Owners tee and this Parkway Panther shirt that is hard. Oh yeah, dude. And all right, guys, we're back. Hopefully y'all did enjoy this quick little sexy video. One bonus find that I did get, which I think I'm about to throw straight on head, is not so straight. It is the Trans Fest 1989 Houston, Texas vintage hat. The subject matter is just straight flawless. Y'all know if I was around in 89, I definitely would be in attendance at Transfest. Anyways, if y'all enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Pull up to my pop-up. I'm a part of it. I didn't put it on. My homie Barry did. It's called DatedFadedWorn. Houston, Texas. All the info's in the video description down below. There's going to be a ton of vintage vendors. It's this Sunday, March 28th. Tickets are available. Link in video description. I love y'all. Live the dream. Eat that ice cream. Hopefully y'all did enjoy this quick little vlog style trip to the thrift. It was a pleasure seeing y'all out in the trenches. And until next time, I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. See ya.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.